It's red.
You don't like it because it's too big?
Uh-huh.
It looks too small, actually.
Small.
Is it small?
Yeah.
I thought you said it was too big.
Too big?
Yeah, you said it's too big. What color is that?
Green.
Yeah. What's on it? What is there? What do you see on there?
Flowers. And more flowers.
Yeah. And what are these?
Buttons.
Buttons.
It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8.
Okay. Very good. What's that on the wall? On your wall? That's a butterfly too.
And the magpies.
And the what?
Magpies is down, down, and boom!
Oh, the math patterns? Is that what you call that?
Yeah.
Okay. What else is over there? All your bows. We're missing a lot of them. We need to put them away. Oh. Okay.
What's that?
What's what? What?
This one. The box.
In the box? I don't know. What does it look like? Not what does it smell like. What does it look like?
I know. It looks like a fish.
It looks like a what?
Fish.
Oh, a fish. Yeah, I guess it kind of looks like a fish. It's an artist easel that we need to put it together. You got it for Christmas and it's August. Yeah. We have to take it out and put it together. But we have to put some of your other toys away before we can open it. Because you have lots of toys.
Lots of toys.
Mm-hmm.